So this is the thing. This is a surgery of a 3 years old congenital glaucoma, and you know the congenital glaucoma always the medical therapy does not work. This is a temporary one, and the surgery is the goal of the treatment. But it's a little difficult situation when we go for the pediatric surgery than that of the adult surgery. Adults are more, I think it's easy to do and less complications are there. But the pediatric surgery, the eye has the scleral rigidity is very less, and eyeball is little bigger than that of the socket. Lots of pressure inside the eye, and also we need a very good anesthesia to for the backup. But if we don't have this, we may end up to this types of complication what I faced. This is a conjunctival. You can see the length of the eye because the limbus is already in the back. The surgical limbus is a big eye. The small socket is large eye. I've just cut the conjunctiva, tennis cut. The wet field cautery is being done here, and the triangular scleral flap is made. Again, the flap has to be very careful because it's very thin. And with the mitomycin C soaked sponges given for better result because this is a large eye with only trap with won't work. This irrigation band. Chenectomy is all being done because they have the lots of thin tenons. So slowly I am moving forward for the partial dissection of the sclera. I want to go for the trab and trab. Ounce trabeculectomy one side is done, smooth, no problem. Other side again done, smooth problem. I'm very happy, everything going as per schedule. So that's the it's being tried. This time what I did mistake, I didn't lose the speculum and I didn't ask the anesthesia to go for the hyperventilation. So you can see the iris popped up. So I'm trying my best to put the iris inside. Slowly I'm loosening all the superior rectus girdle suture. Suddenly something going wrong. I think the eye is getting tight. So I thought let's do some paracentesis left side port, so the eye gets softened. Try to give some pilocarpine or visco. The problem. Vitreous came out. There are zonular dehiscence, and you can see lots of vitreous coming out. This is a nightmare. What to do? Now the tension comes. So I did with the Vaness scissor just to do the vitrectomy. Okay, then last the side port. Try to put the iris back, but it is not coming so far. So again, so I thought let's see something else. So I started with the vitrectomy cutter. I did a vitrectomy. So far as I can, I tried to keep my cool head. This is a very tension time because I don't know because with this vitreous, many things may happen. I did a vitrectomy. Someone that was putting the iris back. Oh, now the high fever started. That's another complication I have made. The high fever started. The blood is started oozing out. So I want to clear one thing, another complication starts. So I did a vitrectomy again, as much as possible towards the area, the internal ostium area. Somehow or other, I found the vitreous is less, so I go for the stitch. Let's see what happens. I'll see it later. At least I have to stitch it down to avoid some lots of bad complication in these such a cases. So I gave a one stitch of the sclera, the topical, and close the conjunctiva. Some other Now the eye seems to be quite quiet because anesthesia is also started giving the hyperventilation. Then see the eye has quietened down. So I thought better to remove the eye film and the blood clots, whatever in the antechamber. Slowly I was taking it out. Yes, it's coming. It looks much better now. I'm much somewhat getting relieved. So this is end of the surgery. Now I can feel it better. I guess a visco in the antechamber. You can see the eye. This seems to be quite quiet with the bleb formation also there. And now it's some other relief. I can at least sleep for that. This is the post-operative USG. Just a vitreous, some opacities are there. Not much detachment is not there. But I am still in the cross finger because I don't know what will happen. This is a post-operative 5 weeks period with the bleb, and this, but still I am in the cross finger. The patient came to me at least after 2 years. The patient is being followed, no more detachment still now, but I don't know what will happen to the next future because the eye is quiet, the pressure is lower, the patient can see till death. That's it.